Well guys, we're back for the Arrow run. Season 3, episode 13 is called Canaries. So guys, last episode was really good. I'm really looking forward to seeing this next one. It was really cool to see Oliver, or the Arrow, return in this episode. It was a really cool return. I love his speech. I like how he, he's going to stick by the city. And of course he said he's sorry that he was gone for a long time. And it was so cool that he convinced Malcolm Merlyn not to kill Brick, because Brick was the one that killed his wife, which I think anyone would be upset and wants to kill him, if you wanted to say. Anyone probably would feel that way. Pretty sure that Malcolm really did this for, Thea, because he felt some type of way, because Thea just didn't know why he is a killer, what he is. So she just doesn't see herself killing anyone, even though he put her in that situation of killing Sarah. I don't think, Thea doesn't know yet what Malcolm's done to her. And I did see a couple comments about Felicity, and I could definitely see that she was taking control. A lot of you guys were saying this is like the start of Felicity, taking control, like everything, like decisions what Oliver's making or whatever. So I'm just gonna go through the episode and see how you guys are feeling about that, and see if I feel the same way as you guys about that. All I know is, she did look like she wanted to take control of, at least convince Oliver of his decision of working with Malcolm Merlyn. The one thing is, Oliver wants to work with Malcolm Merlyn so he can get the knowledge of defeating Roz. And he has to do this because, Roz is like the most dangerous man on the planet. So he needs to do whatever he has to do to basically find a way to defeat him. But anyway guys, before this video begins, I want to thank Frank for sponsoring this video through the Patreon page. Make sure you guys go on the page to support the channel. I appreciate any support that does come around. But anyway guys, let's get into this next episode for the Arrow. Whoa.
Laurel Land. Selfish bitch. You're not a hero.
This is a dream.
Please, please. Your sister. Why are you trying to take my place?
Nice, nice.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Your job, apparently.
He's like,
I told you that I didn't want you out here.
And I told you that it wasn't your call to make.
What you're doing is selfish.
Fighting for your city isn't selfish. It's what a hero would do.
It's been a week since your return. I thought it past time we spoke. Can't merely wait for Roz to mobilize his forces. Time to bring Thea into the fold.
She's not ready to know my secret.
I disagree. If we are to protect Thea and to defeat the League, the three of us need to join forces.
Roman governor Porcius Festus maintained that the accused has the right to face their accuser.
Mr. Zeidel has no further comments. 88 Laurel Lance, take him to the van.
what? Whoa!
Hey, Speedy.
I'm so happy you're home.
I have to show you something.
Oh God, this is it. I think this is
Where are we
it.
going? I thought you said that it was flooded.
I lied.
Wow. Damn.
This isn't gonna mean much. I lied all of this time to protect you.
She shouldn't get mad because she lied too about things.
You're him.
Yeah.
You're saving someone's life.
Wow, that's a different reaction I thought. Wow. I was not expecting that.
Thank you.
Promise me I'm alive. Tell them to issue a press release. Tell everyone coming home. I love you.
Damn.
Anthony Walker? Where's Werner Zeidel?
He's not here. You helped him escape today. I don't threaten my wife to get to her, that he'd kill her.
Why is he
If I
sweaty?
didn't do this,
Oh.
you be the detonator. You kill my wife. We can protect her. Hand me the detonator. God forgive me.
Bye. Damn. Oh no, they're waterboarding him?
10 minutes. I'm impressed. No special forces who can't last longer than 3.
Really, Amanda?
Everyone is going to be looking for me.
Because your mother issued a press release. We erased your message before she could hear a word of it.
Damn.
Be glad. If she had heard it, your mother would be dead right now.
What happened? One of our trackers sent a signal from the Starling City docks.
We don't have any tracking devices in the field.
It's Laurel. You tagged Laurel with a tracer? If she's gonna be reckless, I need to know what she's doing.
Oh my god.
Wonderful seeing you again. Ooh, I fancy the new outfit.
No! Vertigo.
Feeling my vertigo, dear.
Diamond rolling. You're a liar. A fraud.
Wow, this is freaking cool.
Sir, please. Please. Why are you trying to take my place?
Get away from her!
You should be dead. I salute your persistence.
Ooh. Get him! Oh my god.
If you wanted to be me, you could have. I didn't have to die. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I just wanted to talk.
You go back upstairs.
Now! Hey! Don't talk to her like that.
She's my sister.
She makes her own choices, Oliver.
It's okay. We can talk later. Is Laurel okay?
She's gonna be fine. I promise. What the hell was that?
You think you're the only person who can stand up for Thea?
I'm trying to figure out why you're standing up to me.
Oliver, you were gone. Dead. At least we thought you were. And we had to go on with our lives, and doing that meant not doing things your way. You do not have the right to come back here and question everyone's choices.
How are we supposed to work together if we got no structure?
Just let me know if there's any change in her condition.
I don't know. There has to be some type of leadership in there.
Hey, how's it going?
What's that for?
My life has been really complicated lately, so I just need something simple.
Are you all right? I told them you were on the ferry.
They tortured you.
I sold you out.
No, you didn't. I lied. A precaution just in case you were captured. I must speak with Agent Waller.
Hey!
It was crazy to think that I was fit to wear Sarah's jacket. So much is following her footsteps.
You're right. I hope I'm not out of line here. I think Sarah wore her mask just as much to hide her demons as she did to help people. Maybe you should stop trying to be Sarah and just be yourself.
This was nice.
I almost took it personally when you said I was simple.
Well, I never said that you were simple.
What?
Nothing. It's just something my father once said. For centuries, noblemen had been using the rich aroma of red wine to cover up a very different scent, cyanide. Tell me who you are and what the hell you think you're doing here.
Serving my master, Rachel Gould.
Get away from her.
If you beg forgiveness for trying to harm my daughter, I'll grant you a quick death.
Never give you the satisfaction, I'll say it.
Killed himself.
Looks like Zyd'll find a place to change those chemicals into some new vertigo. And he's got hostages.
Where's Roy?
I can't reach him.
Laurel.
Oliver, there isn't anything that you can say to me that I don't already know.
Actually, there is.
Dearest apologies to your colleague here, but mistakes will not be tolerated.
There we go.
This ends now.
As you wish. May I suggest a grand finale? Trifluoride.
Oliver, the whole place is gonna blow.
Have to get out of there!
Got people though.
Not yet.
No, not again!
Return for a second go.
Hi, sis.
You lied to me, Laurel! Straight to my face, my own daughter!
I'm sorry.
I know you are.
She says she's sorry, but she would do it again. You think you can beat me? No, and I'm done trying.
There we go.
Is everything okay?
Oh, yeah, just the usual insurance policy search and seizure. Seems like I have a high-risk case.
I think she's gonna tell him.
What's the matter? You okay?
This is probably it.
I didn't tell you before because I was worried about your health. But what I was going to tell you is about Sarah.
Oh God, no.
Dad.
Not my baby, not again.
That's so sad. I'm glad she told him though.
Thea? It's okay. You're okay.
I thought that I was stronger. I thought that I could keep myself safe.
Parent needs gratitude for saving their child.
Ben has to be a part of this. I didn't ask for any of this.
Before we can begin, there's something that only the two of you can do. Zagul preys upon the fears of his enemies. Conquer your own fear, and you eliminate that critical advantage.
Come on, Speedy, we have 4 more miles to make before nightfall.
I get that Malcolm wants to whip us into shape so we can face the league, but don't you think this is a little bit excessive?
We've been here for 2 hours. Are you complaining already?
2 hours? That's
I
it?
started thinking it after the first 10 minutes.
Eventually, this place will feel like home.
It does not look like home.
Other people, this is purgatory.
Wow.
Once again, you have the good fortune of being uniquely qualified to help me.
Why?
No Way has left Hong Kong. We've tracked her here.
Here. Where are we?
Welcome home, Mr. Queen.
Well, what was the point of Amanda taking Oliver back to Starling City? That's just pretty interesting. I was not expecting her to take Oliver back to the city, but that's gonna be really interesting to see we'll see what the point is of why she's doing that. But this episode was really good. It was cool to see Oliver and Thea working together. They're on the island right now. They gotta basically face their fears or get over their fears because Malcolm Merlin did explain to them that, you know, Roz uses their fears against them. So that's really a critical part of defeating him. So since they are back on the island, I wonder if they're going to see Slade, because Slade is still in the prison, right? I'm assuming he's still there because that's where Oliver put him. So it would be cool to see him, you know, in the next episode if they're around the island again. Another cool part of the episode is seeing Oliver and Laurel work together. Very cool. I'm glad that Laurel was able to basically get over the hump over Sarah, you know, because I think she felt like she wasn't good enough or good as Sarah as she was before. Felicity did have a point, like, you need to be yourself, you need to be you need to be your own hero. You know, technically Sarah didn't consider herself as a hero, but Laurel does, so that's the difference between, you know, those two. It was so depressing seeing Lance just crying and, you know, mourning the death of Sarah. It was just, that scene was really sad. It was really sad. It hit my heart. Obviously, any parent that loves their kid will feel the same way. But anyway, guys, please post your comments down below. Tell me what you think about this awesome episode for the Arrow. Make sure you guys go check out the Patreon page to support the channel. I appreciate any support that does come around. Guys, please stay focused, stay motivated. See you next Arrow.